Hi, welcome to the first week of Introduction to Sociology. I am your professor, Judith Fenlon. Every week I'll be making these little videos to just go over the week to tell you guys about what your assignments are for the week. So this week is just an introduction to the course and an introduction to the field of sociology and some of the things that we'll be covering this semester. So for this week, you will be responsible for, under lesson plans, assignments, and tests, going to week 1, which is Introduction to Sociology. And you will be responsible for watching these slides, which also have narration in it. So when you watch it, you can actually hear me discussing the content as you go through each slide. So you need to watch this this week, and then you also have a homework and a discussion question due. So if we come up here into homework assignments, you will see there is a homework 1, and homework 1 is simply just a way for me to get to know you a little bit better. I'd like you to tell me your full name, your preferred name, if there is a nickname or something else you would prefer that I call you, any preferred pronouns. Tell me what your favorite kind of food is. Tell me 3 qualities that you associate with a previous teacher that was effective for you. So what worked for you in the past? If you think about a teacher that was really impactful in your life, what about that teacher really made that teacher stand out for you? And lastly, is there anything at all that I should know about you as we start our semester? And to submit a homework, you're simply going to click on the homework, and you can either attach a file to this, or you can just simply, in the comments, go ahead and answer the question right there. This first assignment is not worth any points, but as we move forward, all the other assignments are worth points. Each assignment is worth 10 points. And you also have a discussion question due. So for this week, you need to let the class know. So when the discussion question, in this section, this is a forum for the entire class to interact with each other. So please let the class know one thing that's important to you and why. This could be anything. It could be a material item, like a piece of jewelry or car, clothing, or it could be a specific place, a geographic location that has meaning to you. It could be your pet. It could be food that has meaning to you. It could be a book, a quote, a movie, anything really at all. And if you can include a picture of yourself or that item, that would be awesome. And also I want you to include what questions or concerns, if any, you have this semester, and I guarantee probably somebody else has those too. So you're going to go ahead and click on Icebreaker. You're going to create a thread, and there you can go ahead and give yourself a subject, and you can put your content right here, and then you'll hit submit. So that is what you are responsible for in week 1. It is listening to the PowerPoint lecture that you will find here in lesson plans, assignments, and tests under Introduction to Sociology. You are responsible for 1 homework assignment this week and 1 discussion question. If you have any questions at all, please let me know. Thanks for listening.